what's the code? What's the code? Do you know what I mean? Like, because it's like, you know, and you planted that in my head when you said to get into where we want to go, can't be doing what we're doing now. Something has to change. And that's always been on my mind.
Yeah.
Always, like, what is it? Like, what is it that needs to change? Dude, to the fucking point where I don't have shower. Like, I'm in and out of the shower in like 5 minutes now.
Yeah.
Like, to the point where I'm like, a billionaire wouldn't have a shower for 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? They're not just sitting here enjoying the hot water. Like, they've got shit to do. That 20 minutes, things get done. They might have a meeting. They might have 2 meetings. They might make 3 phone calls. It's like, okay, cool. We need to start thinking like that now.
Yeah.
Because I've got habits that are keeping me where I am.
Yeah. So funny. One of my employees wanted to have a meeting with me. He's like, hey, can I have a meeting with you today? I said, no. Oh, no. When was it? No, he goes, during the week. He goes, oh, I want to come see you. Can you block out 11:30 to 12:30? So you fucking normal?
Yeah.
No, actually it was more. 11 to 12:30. I go, 1.5 hours? You want to have a meeting with me for 1.5 hours? I said, no. Like, I'm too busy. No, what do you want? I want to talk about this, and this. Text me. Send me an email. All right? Or call me at this time. Anyway, he was very persistent. I said, I'm going for lunch at this time. You can sit with me and we can talk. You have half an hour. You know what I mean? Like, if I'm going to, you're going to work on my time. I'm not going to spend an hour and a half with you on these I knew what it was about. Nothing good, or nothing bad, sorry, all good stuff. But it was more just a bit of clarity on what he was going to do in his role. I said, look, it's cool. We can have these conversations and it's one that needs to happen. At the moment, I've got a lot of stuff that I need to do. Yeah. This podcast was one of them. All right? And as a result of me doing this podcast, I've got half a day left and I've got to do stuff in between that half day. And then I've got the weekend, and then I've got next week, I've got events, I've got things coming up. I don't have time. But even so, even if I did have the time, I would still do it. Okay, cool. I've got lunch at this time, you can come down. Or you can call me at this time. Or I'll be on site at this time. I would make people work within my schedule. And I think that's what billionaires and millionaires, those real high net value people do, is their time is the most precious thing to them on the planet. And how they use it and how they maintain it. And it almost becomes obsessive to a degree.
You know what's helped me with this? What's that? 75 hard.
Cool. Oh, yeah, because now you have to do certain things. You can't let it go. And you go like,
I told you, dude, I was here at 1 o'clock today.
Yeah.
And I've already got both my workouts in. Do you know?
Yeah, how good's that? You don't have to go to...
It's like done.
You don't have to do it.
Workouts are done.
Yeah.
I just got to make sure I read my 10 pages and it's like, okay, cool. All that was discipline.
Yeah.
I had to get up early and get a workout in, and then I got a workout in before I came.
Yeah, and I think people, you know what I reckon people's biggest hurdle is? They want to be motivated all the time. I reckon people want motivation to go to the gym, motivation to work hard. I need to be motivated. I don't think motivation is a good thing to be tapping into.
You know what? Going to the gym every day, sick.
Yeah.
That's been mad.
Yeah.
I haven't liked the second workout.
Yeah.
Like, that's been kind of like a
bit of draining.
It's just pushing on my discipline more than anything else.
Yeah.
Like, it's a lot, dude. Working out an hour and a half minimum every single day.
Absolutely. Like, I worked out today, and for me to go to another workout, I just like...
That's what I said. Yeah. Like, again, and like, I've got all this other shit to do.
See, I don't mind... You know, if I worked out this morning and then you said, hey, I've got indoor soccer tonight, do you want to come play? Yeah, fucking oath.
Yeah,
I see that as a bit of fun.
All day.
Would I do it every day? If I loved soccer.
No days off.
If I loved playing that sport, it wouldn't be an issue. But if it was just that once or twice a week, yeah, it'd be fun to do. So I don't see that as the workout then. Do you know what I mean?
That's fun, yes.
It's a bit more fun. Yeah, exactly. Whereas when you do go to the gym, look, you're not going to the gym and just sitting on the couch on Facebook. You know what I mean? You're working out. You're doing something that's hard. And it might just be walking.
Yeah, I got fucked yesterday.
What, the rain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't know it was raining.
Did you have to do it outside?
Yeah.
Oh, did you?
I had no idea.
Good.
Had no idea it was raining. And then it was like coming to...
You should talk about that in your vlog.
5:30, 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
The vlog would already come out. I'd already come out. I'll go to the next one.
Do it the next one. For those of you not or listening for the first time, check out Robbie's YouTube channel. He's doing a vlog on doing 75 hard. It's actually pretty funny. I was watching it this morning.
Dude, I fucking
got a bit of a laugh.
Had to go for a run in the rain last night.
Did you run? Didn't walk?
I was planning to
This
go
is
for a
just
run.
45 minutes. You can do whatever you want to do.
45 minutes outdoor workout.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
That's hard.
Yeah. Well, walking's permissible, but like, you get more wet. Nah, I don't know if you get more wet.
Oh, there's a study on that.
Yeah, and I think
You get more wet walking.
walking.
Yeah. If it's within reason. Like if you're out in the wet weather for an hour, you're getting drenched.
Yeah, I was drenched.
But if you're just out in the weather from here and you have to run 30 seconds, you will get more wet walking than what you will running.
You know what the weirdest part was? I wasn't the only person going for a run.
There's other people doing
That was the weird. I'm like, all these people doing 75 hard. What's going on here?
Bloody puzzling. She's like, what the fuck's wrong with you?
Yeah,
I'm doing this because I have to. You're doing this out of pleasure? Who knows?
saw a couple walking. A couple. And then I saw
But maybe sometimes I
people
think,
going for a run.
sometimes I think, did they start the run in the rain or did it start raining mid-run?
But I wouldn't know because by the time I walked out, it was raining. Yeah, and I was like, we can turn back. There's no turning back. You got to get it done.
That's
and
good.
It's like, whatever, it's just water.
Yeah, so discipline is the determining factor there. It's not motivation. You're not always going to be motivated to work or to go to the gym or to have difficult conversations, whatever it is. You're never going to have that level of motivation at all times. And I don't think you should be tapping into that. You should be tapping into the discipline of doing it.
There's a great feeling that comes from getting shit done.
Man, no one's ever done something difficult and then be like, oh, I regret that. You know what I mean? How many times have you gone to the gym and just gone, fuck, I feel worse?
Dude, I think I'll train every day.
Oh, post?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. I like that.
I think I will train, not twice a day.
No, I don't think you need to though.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? If you do a solid 45 to an hour at any stage throughout the day,
I feel good. I feel physically good.
Yeah.
Like, even like, do you know what I mean? Grabbing like stuff, like I feel stronger.
Yeah. How good's that? That's the best thing I found. I feel strong. Do you know what I mean?
I've done 50
And it's
workouts in 25 days.
That's sick. That's sick. Yeah, I feel like, it's, they say the jokes, like when you walk out, if you want to be like a boss in the area, just like walk out in front of all the other dads with your top off, just to be an alpha male or something like that. Or just got to pick up a washing machine or something. Yeah, go put it out on the lawn. Hey, on your shoulder.
Just put it over everyone else.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, and then
so you obviously believe in the concept of hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work.
Do you believe in talent?
Yeah, absolutely.
Why? What's talent? Who's got talent?
Some people are naturally gifted at certain things than others.
Who?
Absolutely.
Apart from physical?
Yeah.
Who's naturally gifted? Apart from physical advantages. So if you're tall, you're going to be a better basketball player than me.
Yeah, or your genetic makeup.
Yeah. So that is physical.
Yeah, okay.
What's talent? Apart from physical makeup, or whatever you want to call it.
I suppose it can almost be one and the same, can't it?
What else is talent? Because
I'm saying because you could talent, like, is it physical being able to throw a ball in the exact same spot every single time, or is that?
I think that's practice.
Yeah, or even throwing at a certain distance, that is strength.
Have you watched? Yeah, where does strength come from?
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's physical.
Yeah.
So
have you watched?
Yeah, but some people have a natural ability
to what?
I'm thinking, it's everything I'm saying is coming back to physical.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what is talent? Yeah, I refuse to believe that. I feel like talent is a word that we put on people to make ourselves feel better because we're not as good.
Yeah, they're talented and I'm not.
Yeah.
They're talented. They have an advantage. They have an advantage over me because they're talented. I think people would reference that. Yeah, so you're a talent. How are you a talented business owner?
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, you can't be.
So what's a talent? Is it just a physical?
I think people would relate it to physical attributes.
Yeah.
Yeah, talented business owner or a talented mathematician. Well, so smart. Like
This is, for me, I think it's part of your upbringing. Majorly.
Oh, without a doubt.
Without a doubt. Do you know what I mean?
Without a doubt. When I finished high school, I worked for a fencing company, like building timber paling fences.
With your PT coming along?
Wouldn't go anywhere without it.
Yeah.
It's a good car, that one. That made me sad.
Yes.
Gotta get 5 ET now. So
Memories.
yeah, I was just working at a fencing company, and the guy I used to work with, he was a business owner, done all right for himself. And he was a carpenter by trade, builder, renovator, that sort of thing. But man, building fencing was hard work. It wasn't easy.
Like laborious.
Yeah. Like I reckon it's probably one of the most labor intensive jobs out there. I see people building fences now, like, hey, respect. I've done it. I know how hard it is. It's not an easy slog. But I reckon that gave me a real appreciation for what a hard day's work meant and what it was about and what I needed to do. And I think that helped me push through hard days, not just physically, but mentally as well. That's where it really began for me.
Is it the All Blacks that make people work 1 week of labour?
Yeah, sweep the sheds.
Yeah. And they have to go and just labour.
Yeah.
So you think there's benefit to that?
Yeah, I do, without a doubt. Because think about it, you never do that, ever. You never have anything hard that you have to push through. What happens when something happens that's difficult comes up? You're fucked. You'll fall to pieces. Okay, good example. Yeah. I think I was talking to you about this as well, actually. And something happened in one of my businesses. And everyone in the company was flipping. They're like, fuck that guy. Let's go, let's retaliate. Let's get him. Let's do this. Let's do this. I can't believe it. Everyone. And I'm just sitting there cool, calm, collected. Hey, what are you stressing about? Not a big deal.
Yes.
It's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. No, fuck that. They can't say that about us. They can't do this. They can't do that. Oi, they're talking about us. Doing something right. Right? You're never going to be criticized by someone doing more than you. You only get criticized by people doing less than you. What I'm getting at is I've gone through the difficult time. I was once that person. But because I've gone through difficult things in my business, when difficult things come up, I don't see them as hard. See, here's the thing. Here's the secret about business and life. Life doesn't get easier. Business doesn't get easier. You just become better at it.
Yeah, you start to handle... Well, you start to handle things you wouldn't have handled previously.
Correct.
As well.
Correct. And that's where you need the difficulties in your life, because all of my employees, they haven't had this happen to them. They haven't had these difficult things that I go through as a business owner. Just before I got up and we're filming podcasting, my employee comes up to me. He says, hey, we've got a problem. What's the problem?
I saw that.
What's the problem? And he goes, oh, they haven't allowed for this and, it's going to cost this. Okay, how much is it? It's $750. Just fucking pay it. Look, it's not, just pay it. Big deal. So it's 1 day's worth of work. Yeah. Okay, good. Did I just solve your problem? Yeah. Thanks. But, something he was stressing over, that I just solved it like that. Have you thought about this? Have you done this? Have you done this? Oh, okay, no worries. So it's not a problem anymore. See a lot of...
So if you like this clip and you want to watch another one, click just over here. Or if you want to watch the full episode, you can click over here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.